here's the last piece that we need. To make another form, first of all, I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to do Control A, Control C, and I copied it all to the clipboard. Now I go to Project, Add Form, and I want a Windows form, and its name is FRM Maze 2, and I add it. Then all I have to do is Control V, and everything's right where I left it. So I can tell right now that I'm in Maze 2. I'm going to unselect my car and unselect the form. And I just have my line selected, my labels. And I'm going to change their color to a different color so I know that I'm in a different maze. I'll do blue. Okay, so now I know I'm in form, it says up here FRM Maze 2. So I have to do all the normal things I would do to a form. Like, I got to rename the form. Well, its name is FRM Maze 2, that's good. And right here it says FRM Maze 2 VB. That's what we wanted, so that's good. So now, what we do on FRM Maze 1 is instead of after me.hide, we do FRM Maze 2 dot show. FRM Maze 2 dot show. So when you win, the second maze opens up. While we're here, I can do Control A, Control C. I can copy the code back to FRM Maze 2, double click on something, and the code is the same, except it's FRM Maze 2. And so now when I run it, oh, it's going to show Maze 2. It's going to show itself and then show itself, but that's all right. Uh-oh. It's probably saying FRM Maze 2, what happened? Cannot be referred to itself. I can't have FRM Maze 2 on Maze 2. That needs to be on Maze 1. So I can put here Maze 1 dot show, and on FRM Maze 1, I have to put FRM Maze 2 dot show. Okay, let's see if that works. It might give me that name the form error again. Oh, it didn't give me. Here we go. So I move my car through the maze. Yeah, it doesn't fail unless the mouse pointer goes off the screen. And there I go. Wow, you went on to a new level. And my new level didn't show up. So what did I do wrong? I did me.hide, FRM Maze 2.show. And I don't know why it didn't show up. Let me just check my code. Oh, I'm going to show it first, then me.hide after. Okay, so put it that way instead. Let's try once more. Notice my mouse is way over here, but when I run the program, the mouse jumps over here to the car. Only, oh, I lost. Try again. Only if the mouse pointer goes off the edge do you lose. So the car can bump into the edge a bit, but it's when the mouse pointer goes off the edge. And that's because I didn't choose the best of pictures for this. All right, here we go. You won, on to new levels. Stella? Oh, because I ended the program still. I don't want to end the program. That's what I forgot to change. For Maze 1, I don't want to end the program, so that was my problem. I'll try once more. The debugging purposes of life. Here we go. Okay, here's my car. You have to wait a minute.
Yes.
Okay. There it is. It switched to the new level. Yay, 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 yay. And then the last thing you would do is at the last level you make, it goes back to the first level. So it loops around to the beginning. Okay.
Can you go back to for